Welcome to the PranaPOS Masters module, the foundation for setting up and managing all your business essentials in one place. SKU code can be created manually or auto-generated. Enter the HSN code, short description, and long description for clear product identification. Select department, category, vendor, brand, and manufacturer as needed. Under pricing, define your tax percentage, ACP, cost price, MRP, and retail price. You can also check QOH, which shows quantity on hand. In the Other Details tab, enable or disable options like open rate, discount, decimal quantity, or kit product. You can also upload product images and control active or inactive status. The Hierarchy Master allows you to create and manage departments, categories, subcategories, brands, and attributes all in one place. You can add new hierarchy levels, link them with SKUs, and export your data in Excel or PDF format. In Tax Master, you can create and manage tax details for your products, add new tax rates, edit existing ones, and export your tax list easily in Excel or PDF format. The Vendor Master helps you maintain supplier information, add vendor details, contact information, address, and even terms and conditions, which will appear in purchase orders. The Manufacturer Master is used to create and manage manufacturer details. You can enter information for the head office and branch, edit data anytime, and export your records. In Brand Master, create and edit your product brands easily. Add new brand names, update existing ones, and export the data in Excel or PDF formats. The Customer Master stores complete customer information. Add customer details, contact information, and address. Prana allows you to create 4 types of customers: credit, loyalty, prepaid, and corporate. Search, edit, or export customer data with easy. The User Master allows you to create and manage users who access the system, assign roles, add login credentials, upload profile pictures, and control user activity status. The Role Master defines the access levels and permissions for each user. Create roles like Super Admin, Cashier, or Manager and customize what each role can access. In Payment Master, create multiple payment modes like cash, card, UPI, or credit. Add payment names, currency codes, and groups, along with optional settings like background color and image. The Quotation Master helps you create, edit, and manage quotations for customers. Add product details, quantities, and prices, and export quotations in Excel or PDF format. You can also track quotation status, whether it's pending, approved, or rejected. That's a quick walkthrough of the Masters module in PranaPOS.